What is the importance of cell cycle while studying details about cancerous cells? कैंसर के लिहाज से सेल साइकिल की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है एंड हाउ सेल साइकिल इफेक्ट्स cancerous cells during the cell growth or reproduction. Basically, cancer research has been majorly focused toward genome-based studies plus chromosome-based studies. अब होता ये है कि अगर जीनोम बेस्ड स्टडीज सिंगल जीन बेस्ड हों तो दैट आर वेरी इजी टू स्टडी और कैंसरस सेल्स को आइडेंटिफाई किया जा सकता है और उनको रेमेडी किया जा सकता है. But what happens is that most of the organizations are multigenic, in which there are mutations in many genes instead of a single gene mutation. Why I use the word mutation? Because mutation is basically change in some gene which affects its proper functioning, and then it might move towards some cancer type things. So at the moment there are roughly 200 types of different cancers. But if I want to find out most common cancers, they are lung cancer, breast, colon, prostate and blood cancers, which roughly count about 50% of common cancers in today's time. So what is basically a cancer with respect to a cell cycle? So if I define cancer, it would be basically it is a cell cycle disease in which all regulatory controls go haywire. So what happens? Regulatory controls are haywire means that as we have seen कि जो हमारे पास सेल साइकिल के फेज मार्कर्स हैं उनकी जो वर्किंग है दैट बिकम्स एबनॉर्मल. यानी कि जब हमारा सेल डिवाइड हो रहा है दैट इज इट इज़ कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम इट्स पेरेंट्स टू चाइल्ड सेल्स, ये डिवीजन ख़राब हो जाए और देयर शुड बी सम एबनॉर्मलिटी ड्यूरिंग दिस सेल डिवीजन. एंड द अदर थिंग इज दैट what will happen, this will allow the tumor cells to divide in an constrained manner. यानी कि एक सेल से अगर हमारा जो ट्यूमर है वो 2 सेल्स में गया, then what will happen whenever these 2 cells will divide into 4 cells, that tumor will be propagated in the subsequent stages. तो इसकी वजह से जो ट्यूमर है या जो कैंसर है that will grow in large number and there would be exponential growth. So what happens in a cancer cell is that there is derailment of a cell cycle plus checkpoints do not work properly. Checkpoints हमारे क्या थे? They which were making sure that our cell cycle is performing in a regulated manner. So what are current cancer therapies doing? Current cancer therapies, they are very good in finding or arresting excessive cell division and apoptosis, but they have side effects such as they are unable to identify normal and abnormal cells, and another thing is they have cytotoxic nature. Cytotoxic nature means that they have potential to convert a cell into a cancerous cell. Normal cell can be converted into a abnormal cell or some cancerous cell, या poisoning of the cell can occur. So what we need to do, or what are the mechanisms? There is perturbation of checkpoints control. So during the cell cycle what happens? A cell divides and generates new cells. Now if there is some detected damage in G1 or G2 phase, what should be done? It is basically if it is detected, it is taken care by checkpoints. So what happens is that we have oncoviruses. Oncoviruses means which are related to some cancer virus, and then we have oncogenes. What do they? Basically they disrupt the regulatory controls for entry of cell from G1 to S phase. So as we already said that S phase is the most important phase, which is synthesis phase. So क्या होगा कि जो हमारे oncoviruses या oncogenes हैं वो इस कन्वर्जन को ख़राब कर देंगे कि जब सेल ने G1 से S फेज़ में जाना है तो ये कन्वर्जन या ये जो हमारी मॉड्यूलेशन है कि जब ये हमने एक सेल से एक फेज़ से दूसरे फेज़ में दाखिल होना है, इस चीज़ को ख़राब कर दिया जाए तो दैट विल कॉज अ कैंसरस इफेक्ट इन द सेल डिवीजन. सो ड्यूरिंग द एडवर्स कंडीशंस के जब हमारी एडवर्स कंडीशन में क्या होता है कि चेक पॉइंट्स एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं. इफ़ दिस चेक पॉइंट्स आर एक्टिवेटेड इट विल बी गुड, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन? चेक वन फॉर एग्जांपल CHK1 will affect DNA damage points in G2 and M. कि जो हमारा चेक पॉइंट 1 है वो काम कर रहा है DNA damage points में in G2 and M में, and similarly CHK2 will be helping us in radiation therapies in G1 and S phase. So these basically phases should be modulated कि इनमें कोई खराबी पैदा ना हो सके. So another thing about cell cycle is role of chromatin is very essential in cell cycle division or finding the cancerous cells. So what happens in S phase? There are two things. Number one is gene expression and number two is chromatin. Gene expression is based on genes and chromatin is basically a material which help us into identify abnormalities of tumorous cells. अब ये chromatin कैसे help करता है? What is the role or how we can use this chromatin? Basically chromatin में हमारे पास histones होती हैं which are basically proteins in themselves or they help us in finding out or working of nucleosomes. So based on those proteins we can target which cells are not working in the normal conditions or which have potential to produce into cancerous cells. So chromatin can be a good factor for reading or for identifying of cancerous cells during the cell cycle phase.